Hello and welcome to another update video about VAI. VAI has a bit of a messy microstructure, but it is a possible 1-2 setup that has formed since this October low. So basically, price moved up substantially in this wave 1. We talk about an increase of around about 400%. And now all we see now is just a correction, right? So it's just at this stage, most likely at least, a corrective structure. And we have for this wave 2 pullback, I think we already talked about that in the last video, a support area between 11.6 cents and 5.99 cents. So it could still drop substantially while still staying within an overall bullish scenario. So, but even if we get all the way down to 5.99 cents, we would literally still be at a higher price than the upper boundary line of our previous setup that we communicated last year. Okay, so we had here also a wave 2 support area, and anybody who entered anywhere in the box would still be in profit, even if the price goes all the way down to the bottom of the 78.6, to the 78.6 fib level in this updated support area. However, obviously a sustained break below that 5.99 cent level would indicate that this setup is failing, okay, and maybe something more bearish is going on. But honestly, it would involve a break from where we are right now, which is around 13 cents. It would involve like a 54% price drop. I mean, I can see that potentially, but it's not what I'm primarily watching for at this stage. Anything is possible, but at the moment, we have a potential 5-wave move up. Again, I can only say that qualitatively, yeah, it's 2 degrees subjective, but from a subjective point of view, what I can see, it's quite a messy structure, this move up. I can see it as a potential 5-wave move, but it's really, really unclear. Yeah. So I'm not, I don't rule out that maybe the count is wrong. Absolutely not. But the Fibonacci levels, they are objective, okay, and they guide us. So we've already had a first reaction to that fib level here at 11.6 cents. Is this wave 2 already over? Impossible to say. I would say rather not. Okay, I would at least minimally like to see a break above this trend line. So what we can do from the top of that wave 1, we basically draw a trend line here, just sort of as a bit of a breakout line. It's not very well defined, but it's best we can it's the earliest signal we can really get. Because what I don't know is if all of this is an A, B, C structure and the correction finishes here, or this ABC is just going to be a larger A wave, we rally in B, which is why regular profit taking is so important. And then we come down in wave C later. Yeah, but that's just the noise. What really counts is, can the price form an impulse in a third wave before there is a break below 5.99 cents? That's really what counts, okay? And okay, what would be a target for the third wave up there? Difficult to say. I would have to make some assumptions because I can really only calculate the target for a third wave based on the low of the wave 2. So let's just assume it might come down to the golden ratio. Now, I'm not saying it will, but I don't have any evidence it's bottomed yet. And the golden ratio is a typical target for a wave 2. So all I can highlight is that if that's the case, the minimum expectation for a third wave is 60 cents. That's a nice increase. And better would even be the 76 cent level, the 1.38 extension. So there is plenty of space to the downside left, yes, but it's a decent reward to risk ratio that we have here on the chart. It's really interesting. It's one of the AI coins. The overall structure isn't great, but we really have a shortage of great structures in the altcoin sector in general. So that just warrants caution. I mean, they are risky charts, we know that, yeah, and the charts reflect that, okay, that that they are risky investments or trades, and the charts reflect that. But yeah, that's one of the better setups in the space, I think, at the moment. And good news is we've had an initial reaction to the 38.2 retracement, okay? Now, all I can say is oftentimes only the A wave of a wave 2 reacts to that level. But as soon as we get a break above that 22 cent level, that's the wave 1 high that formed around the 26th of December. Then we can say possibly the third wave is unfolding, targeting 60 cents plus. Obviously, if that third wave starts from here, the target would be even higher, but I'd rather keep it on the conservative side. That's my update about VAI. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.